Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm over here in Houston, Texas. I done made it to the H finally. So I'm over here at this parking spot, my little secret hiding parking spot where I used to park my other truck. And I don't know how I feel about parking this one here, but here's what it is. Dang train. So I'm waiting for my girlfriend to roll up on me. She lives down here, and we're gonna have some dinner in the truck since I got a refrigerator full of food now. And it's a big reveal. She's gonna see it for the first time. She hadn't seen it yet, so I'm excited to show her the truck, and let's see what her reaction looks like. Oh, there she is. What you think?
Nice.
Like it?
Yes. Having bugs.
What? You're the one that told me I need to start doing YouTube again.
Not me.
All right.
Where am I going? Oh, you're
Drinks. Thanks. See you later. There you go.
Nice. Stop. I think I'm a lot lizard.
All right, guys. Dinner's ready. Here's what we got going tonight. She picked us up some agua fresca, and we got some cranberry, turkey salad with some avocado, and we got some olives stuffed with cheese.